Hello everyone, welcome back to Pastel Penny channel. My channel is all about travel, fashion and lifestyle vlog. In today's video, I'm going to review this card holder. As you see from the cover, I'm reviewing a card holder from Saint Laurent and also the comparison of this card holder and other card holders. So please keep on watching. So I brought this card holder online, so it's come with a full set like this, but all will be packed in the box. And what you have is you have this paper bag from Saint Laurent, and then there's a receipt and then there's a card. So the receipt here is having the thank you cards and the return stickers, and also the return instruction if you want to return the items that you bought. And this is the box, comes in like this, also comes with a small ribbon, and once you open you see this card case which contains the information about this card case. I don't know much about the code and the language right here. And then there'll be the care card or care instructions, and then so the card case comes in the small pouch like this, and here is the YSL card case that I have. So the one I ordered is in pink shade. I would see it light nude pink shade, which is the same shade as my nail right now. And they have a nude shade too. You will see that is more yellowish kind of tone, but the pink tone will be this tone. I also see both as nude, but this is nude-ish pink. And the hardware, the logo here is in the gold shade, I can assume. So it's in the gold shade, very shiny gold shade, and there's no plastic, anything sealed. I was hoping that would be sealed plastic because this logo is definitely prone to scratch, but it didn't come with that. It comes with only one paper card. There are a total of 5 card slots. What I like about this one is there's a card slots on both sides. So you have 2 in front, 2 at the back, and then 1 in the middle. Based on the information that I know, this is calf skin with the grain leather. So it's not a smooth leather, but you will see grain leather. I like this type of leather because it's not easily to see the scratches. In other brand with me at the moment to compare with this YSL card case, but I have a Chanel card wallet here with me that you can see a comparison between the card case and this is a card wallet or card holder, and you can see that the Chanel is slightly taller than the YSL card case. For Chanel card wallet, you have a total of 2 big compartments, and I think you can put more than just card. You can put maybe some coins as well. So it's a little bit more versatile, but it will take more space. Let me compare it closely again. So it's slightly taller, slightly bigger, but the width is almost the same, and at the side here is definitely the card case is thinner. So when I want to use a super mini bag, this one is definitely fit better and have other space for other stuff. Another card holder that I have is in Burberry, and the size you can see it is almost the same, so it's slightly smaller than the Chanel too, but then the total, like the whole size of it is exactly the same. But you can see that the card case is definitely very thin. This wallet is a card wallet that I always use with my mini bag, but I'm gonna replace with this one instead because I will have more space left because this one is much thinner.
Now I'm going to compare the YSL card case with other brand. Now let's get started with the Gucci Mammon card case. This card case is also pretty cute, but I see this one has less variety, lesser shade to choose from. Also, I personally prefer the logo with more shiny logo hardware. If the TG there is a shiny gold hardware, that will be something that I like. Now let's move on to the Miu Miu card case. The Miu Miu style is very super girly and very cute, and the new color that's come out on the website is super attractive to me. However, I didn't go for it, but maybe in the future if I got a chance and I come out with more variety, I might go for this Miu Miu too. Next is the Chanel card case, and I also really like this casket from Chanel. It's very classic, it's very elegant with the CC logo there. However, when I try to find it in Bangkok trip, it seems out of stock everywhere, so it's quite rare and quite hard to find, and the price is also double price from the YSL card case too, so I still keep this on hold. There are so many other card cases available out there that you can choose for your comparison or for your options, like Burberry, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Goyard, and many more. Now it comes to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you again next time. Bye.